Right, okay, on to the last one for the day. Thanks once again for stopping by. And no, it's not airliner day, it's just one of these ones I got in the latest batch around about Christmas time that I have not got round yet to flying. As we all know now, the weather in England has been absolutely terrible. I can remember being up here and in mid-March, flying in jeans and t-shirt. But that's the way the English weather goes sometimes. You can't odds it sometimes. There we go. Right, what we're looking at today is the A380 airliner. I did see the manufacturer on the box, but I couldn't pronounce it, so I'm not going to bother here, just in case I offend someone. This is a bit similar to the QF008. I suppose it's a competitor, if you like, but this is different. This is powered by 4 ducted fans. And the construction is very simple. Well, all the fuselage and the tailplane is all hooked up and it's all in one piece. All you have to do is screw the wings on and put the battery in, and you're virtually ready to go, which is what we're going to do now. There's not a lot more to be said about this, apart from, if I can get the battery out, I can show you that battery. I've got here is a 3.7 volt, which is 4.2 volts fully charged, 550 milliamp battery. So on these little motors, and they're only tiny brush motors, you should have 6 or 7 minutes good flying time out there. You might be longer. With this wind, it's not going to happen, but at least I can give you a demonstration of hopefully what this little model is capable of. Okay, so like the QF008, there is a little switch on there which we're going to turn on first. When we do, there's a little light come on and it's flashing away, saying indicating that it needs to be bound. Okay, so it looks as though it's been bound. It is bound. Now with this model you do have elevators. This big small rudder is the rate equivalent to the rates. Yeah, okay, so with this wind I think I might end up using that. Right, we've got some lights in the nacelles. So let's have a look. Can we turn those lights off? It looks as though we can. Yep, those lights are turned off and on. That is what the light switch is. It just turns those lights off and on. And we've got a landing light there. We might use that as a crash light. Okay, right, let's wish me luck on this one, because the wind's just got up a little bit. You can't hear it here, we're sheltered by the trees, but out there is a little bit more windy. So right, we go to the field and right, I was hoping the wind would have died down just a little bit, but no, it hasn't really. You can probably hear it in the microphone, so apologies for that. But here we go. I've got it in rate 2. I'm not going to forget that I have got elevator, and I probably didn't tell you when I was over there, but to turn left, the right hand motors will spin up and the left hand motors will shut down, and vice versa. How it's going to do in this wind, we're just about to find out. So here we go. I certainly wouldn't like to be a passenger on that plane. Let's go. Facing this way. Right, let's stop the throttle and we'll go down into rate 2 again. Rate 1, I apologise. The motor's off now, can you hear that? And that's what the wind's doing. It's making it very difficult. passengers must have run out of sick bay by now. This is in rate 1, so it's responding quite well, even in rate 1. Look at that. Now it's so light, the wind's holding it still. Let's up the throttle just slightly. Imagine how you'd feel if you just had an onboard meal on that thing. Yeah. Rate 2, just in case. A380. Right, let's bring it down, hopefully out of the wind, and then we'll be able to make a little bit more progress. Well, I think it's done very well, what it is, so let's drop the throttle and we'll see if we can bring it for a safe landing. There we go, that counts as a safe landing, doesn't it? It's only one piece, which can't be said for passengers. Right, okay, there we go. There's the A380 on the shortlist. Very, very well in a car of the day. I'll try and do that as a brief one to fly, and or one to see flying, I should say. Apologies. Right, once again, anyway, never mind. So you can see if this little thing can fly in 25 mile/h wind, which I rather suspect it is. Just think how well it's going to fly on a calm day. So I'd suggest anything from anything up to about 10 miles/h. This little thing is going to fly extremely well. Okay, what else have I got for today? I don't think I have actually. So until the next video, stay safe.